Alright guys, here we are, update number 1 for the bearded pup and year of the beard. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, and gear tips, then you have come to the right place. Take that first step, click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Okay, so let's jump into this. This is update number 1 for the bearded pup and year of the beard. So we're taking all month of September and we are taking a look and using products from the bearded pup. So during the first week, I made it a point, I've used the oil, I've used a little bit of the balm, but I've made it a point to use the butter. And that's what we're going to talk about today. So this butter comes in a 3-ounce tub. All right, you see that. That is huge. So the bearded pup, they have 3 different scents of for their beard butter. This one is natural. This is the unscented. So the label, let's go around the side. So you've got a little bit of description there. On the front it says beard butter. No beeswax, no bull crap, get you some. And we keep going around and we have some more stuff here with directions. Made in Ohio. Directions: scoop out liberal amount, back of thumb, nail, melt between palms, work up through the beard into the skin, enjoy day or night. And a special blend of 8 butters to nourish and moisturize your mane and skin. Our beard butter is for deep moisturizing during the day or the night. Ingredients on this butter: jojoba, aloe vera, hemp seed, avocado, shea, mango, kokum, and cocoa butters, coconut oil, fragrance, and or essential oils. So like I said, this is the unscented, and logo looks really sharp. It's just simple. This is a unscented, as they say, natural. So it's just a simple logo, nothing crazy, nothing fancy. I am perfectly fine with that. Nothing on the bottom. Now, if you saw my unboxing, if you didn't, I'll put a card up top. But if you saw my unboxing, this took a trip around the country. So it did come to me a little bit melted. I threw it in the refrigerator and got it back solid, which it was solid before we did our unboxing video. So I have used all that off the lid that ended up on the lid, and you can see that right there. Now this, if you have ever used the bearded pup beard butter, you will understand what I'm fixing to tell you. This is just the smoothest. Look at this, watch. No force, no pressure. It just rakes out. So I'm not going to waste a whole lot of this, but I'm going to show you how it breaks down. And it rained last night, so now when the wind blows, I'm getting wet. So it's starting to melt on my fingertip. So we put that much on there. And if we sit here for a minute, look at that. It is melting. It is melting just from the body heat. And it's not that bad hot out here today. It feels pretty good right now. So that right there, just, you can probably just do this. Look at this. You don't even have to rub it. And it just melts. But anyway, so we break this down, we rub this down. Look at that. There's no hold, there's no tack to it, there's no beeswax in here. It's all butters. And when I warm this up, I do get that carrier. I do get the sense of that carrier, that kind of that nuttiness, that, I don't know how you describe it, but you know what I'm talking about, just that carrier scent. But I can tell you, I've already got some in, but I'm putting some more in. Hold on, bear with me. And that pretty much, there's a little bit left on my hands. But that carrier scent that you get, it goes away pretty fast. I've had some products in the past that carrier scent was so strong, I couldn't wear the product to bed. I couldn't wear it to bed, and I couldn't wear it during the day because that scent was so strong, and just, I don't know, it just has that weird scent to it that it's not a pleasant scent. But this one, I can tell you, I put this butter in, and within 15-20 minutes, I don't smell it. It's just doing its job. It's just conditioning. I've used this at night, and it does amazing. Like, I can tell you, hands down, this is an amazing butter, and good job over at the Bearded Pup. This stuff is great. So price on this is $18 for this 3-ounce tub of a beard butter. Now, according to Bearded Pup's website, these tubs, I still have a little bit on my hands, these tubs are either double or triple walled, which will help in normal normal times to keep it from melting. But in a case where mine was, it went across the country as opposed to coming straight to me from Ohio, so it did melt a little bit. Now, I was really expecting that to be a lot more melted when it got to me, but then I read about the container, and it's got basically a double wall or whatever, basically an insulation to keep it from melting as bad. So good job on that. I really like these containers. Like I said in the unboxing, this is something that will just stand out on the beard shelf. Like, no doubt, that is just something that will stand out. So really good product here. Absolutely love what it's done for my beard in the first week. So I'm looking forward to a whole month of this butter and letting it do its job and really deep down condition my beard. One thing that I did try when it came to the carrier scent was I put the butter in one night when probably the first night I used it. I put the butter in, and then I took just probably about 2 drops of the oil and put it in as well. And what that did was it just kind of covered up, it masked that carrier blend until it went away, and I could really smell that Biker's Blend scent from the oil. So get over and check out the Bearded Pup. I'm telling you, if you are looking for a good butter, a good nighttime butter, even a good daytime butter, I've worn this during the day, and like I said, it does its job, and it does absolutely amazing. I'll have a link in the description below for the Bearded Pup. No affiliation, no discount code, none of that. It's just straight taking you to their website. But I highly recommend this. It is really good. It has done amazing in the first week of September. Stay tuned, because at the end of the month, we're going to do a full breakdown. I'll give some more information how it's done for the entire month. And during the course of the month, we're going to talk about the other products that he sent me. So if you missed that unboxing, make sure to check that out. It will be in the Year of the Beard playlist. And get over and check out my website, thebeardedoutdoorsman.com. Over there, there'll also be a link to that in the description below. But over there, I have a full breakdown of all the companies that we've done so far for Year of the Beard, giving a little bit of backstory about Year of the Beard, and talking about what we've done so far with links to videos. So get over and check that out. And that's all I got for you today, guys. Make sure to come back next week. If you're just here for Year of the Beard, make sure to come back next week for update number 2. And that's it. That's all I got. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.